Hey, what's up? Sammy here. This week I have been testing the Jimmy's first wet and dry vacuum cleaner, the HW8 Pro. It does many things a normal stick vacuum cleaner cannot do. But is it any good? Let's find out in this video. As always, the link for purchasing this product is in the description box. Make sure to check it out. I've already unboxed it a couple weeks ago. For what's inside the box, you can check out my previous video here. To use the cleaner, it's quite simple. First, make sure to fully charge the cleaner. Second, fill the clean water tank with clean water. There is a max mark here. Don't overfill it. You can also add some cleaning shampoo as the box comes with that. Press the power key to turn on the machine on. You are then ready to go. You can switch between two different modes based on your situation. At the same time, press once the button under the handlebar to spray water once. Press and hold the button if you want to dispense water continuously. After the clean, just take out the dirty water tank and clean. That's it. There are several unique features about the HW8 Pro. It has an all-in-one LED display which displays battery level, cleaning modes, and alerts each user. But most importantly for me is the real-time battery life display, where you can tell exactly how long you have left before you need to recharge. Another feature I have to talk about is the self-cleaning system. After you finish your mopping, when you put back on the charging dock, you can activate the self-cleaning cycle by holding down the mode switch button. Then it starts a self-cleaning session. It takes about 3 minutes as it flushes fresh water through the brush roller and tubes for hands-free maintenance. Once it's completed, it will automatically begin charging. Just be sure to swap out the wet brush head for the dry one and to empty the dirty water container. Most of the other stuff that's unique or interesting about the HW8 Pro can be covered as we talked about the various performance tests. I tested with all kinds of spills and stains on a number of different surfaces and found that the HW8 Pro was as good or better than others I've tested before. For example, with the dried on stains, I can clean them very easily as you can always spray water on them. Same thing with the wet liquid test. I picked up the spills with no trouble at all. It was as good as you would want them to be in that regard. What about bigger messes? Well, I've got to say the HW8 Pro nails it. Unlike some other wet and dry vacuum cleaners that have a low profile on the front, which may have trouble dealing with the larger piles of spills, the HW8 Pro picked up those easily, and it also tended not to get as messy for its higher profile. I also tested various other debris on different hard floors and even on low-pile carpet. It's not bad, but definitely doesn't compare to those dedicated dry stick vacuum cleaners like the Jimmy HW8 or Roborock H7. But you have to know this product is built more for wet dirt on hard floors, which finally brings me to my conclusion. I've got to say the HW8 Pro definitely reinvented my cleaning routine for the better. Priced at 229 euros on Geekbuying, it's much lower price than some big brands I know, but it comes with uncompromised performance. Once you try it for yourself, I think you'll be hooked. It's a true time saver. You'll never want to just vacuum on your hard floors when you can save time and mop too. And you'd probably forget about how old school wet mops just seem to drench your floors in already dirty water. Everything is just easier and combines two traditional separate activities into one quick routine. The smart self-clean cycle is definitely a lifesaver for flushing out the tubes and the brush roll. So you just have to deal with cleaning the water tanks. Compared to regular stick vacuum cleaners, the HW8 Pro cleans the wet dirt and it's much more powerful than a rubber vacuum cleaner and leaves dried on dirt no way to exist. So what do you think of this Jimmy HW8 Pro wet and dry vacuum cleaner? Let me know in the comments section. If you are interested to get one of these, link is in the description. I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one. Peace!